It's a 2015 Lexus NX200T. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX200T takes the crossover beyond utility. It comes with all the amenities you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend states the NX's ride is first class, a strong engineering feat for a vehicle with such a small wheelbase. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. The time is now. See it for yourself today. Toyota of North Miami. Call, click, or come see us today so we can exceed your expectations. We're conveniently located at 16,600 Northwest 2nd Avenue in beautiful Miami, Florida.